Boom. Hello and welcome back to Lock Lab 101. What we're going to go over today is bump keys. Here we have a Kwikset set of bump keys and a Schlage set of bump keys. We have a tensioning tool which will apply rotational tension on the key and the cylinder simultaneously. We also have the bump key hammer which will provide the inertia that separates the top and bottom pins. And we have several different types of protective rings that will protect the lock surface. So let's get this in a vise, and we're going to conduct a demonstration of bumping on the Kwikset lock and the Schlage style lock. We don't use every key depth when we're using bump keys. As an example, in the Kwikset we start at 4 and we'll go all the way up to a 7. In Schlage we start at a 6 and we go up to a 9. That gives us the greatest chance of creating the correct amount of inertia to separate the bottom and top pins at the shear line. Okay, let me demonstrate this. Here's the number 4 key. So as I'm tapping this key, I'm increasing and decreasing the rotational tension. Here's a number 5 key. You can see it, the way they're cut, it'll spring back. That creates the inertia when the bumping hammer hits it. And it just takes a couple taps. If it's going to go, it's going to happen within the first couple taps. Here's the number 6 key. Boom. Now let's try this Schlage. Here's the number 6. Each time that key will spring back out. Here's the number 7. And boom. Alright, there we go. And then it's locked again. Okay, so in a nutshell, that is a demonstration of bumping. You can use the protective rings, but you don't have to. Sometimes you can use the brass washers, but you don't have to. What you do have to use is a key that's cut just below the highest pin in the lock. And then you put light pressure on it and you give pressure, you release, pressure, release as you're bumping. And then you need a high quality bumping hammer that will bump at a high cadence in order to create that inertia and separate the top pins from the bottom pins. Thank you very much. Be sure to like and subscribe.